friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the maintenance required. This little message that shows up says visit your dealer. So don't forget, that's gonna pop up probably because you need to get your oil changed. But if you've done it on your own or whatever reason you wanna reset it, here's what you do. You're gonna use these buttons right here. Just to review, this is kind of a back button right here. And then you have up, down, left, right, obviously. And then this one in the center kind of selects whatever you wanna do. So we're gonna use that. And then we're gonna go over here. If you look to this orange triangle right there, we're gonna move that one over to the right to get to that blue little cog. And then I'm gonna press the middle button right here, okay, to select vehicle settings. And now that I've gone into vehicle settings, I'm gonna scroll all the way down. Whoops, there it is. To maintenance reset. And then again, I'm gonna press that middle button right here. And then it simply says yes or no. I'm gonna click on yes. Maintenance reset complete. So you're all set. That's all you have to do. Now again, remember, if you're resetting it, there's a reason that that thing is going off. So again, probably oil change, and make sure you know what you're doing. Don't just keep resetting it and not change your oil. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.